Now, am I audible? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in last lecture, what we have done? Anyone can explain? In practical number 1, what we have done?
Great. BC records practical.
Okay. Any another can explain? Others? Pranali, are you there? Pranali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
In last lecture or last practical, what we have done? In virtual lab, open the hybrid electronics lab. Okay. Everyone go through it. Open virtual lab. In that, experiment is there. In list of experiment, which experiment is included in hybrid electronics lab? First one is the arithmetic circuit, then design and simulate various code converters. In last practical, this code converter is done. Okay, means binary to BCD, BCD to binary, then gray to binary, binary to gray conversions are over in last lecture. Okay, so in today's practical, what we have done? Arithmetic, then design and multiplexer likewise. So in various arithmetic circuit, what is mean by arithmetic circuit? There are 4 types of arithmetic circuit. Means first adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, or simply addition, subtraction, division and multiplication are involved in arithmetic circuits. Okay, so in that first binary addition, what is mean by binary addition? What is the truth table for binary addition? What is the truth table for binary addition? Suppose if you consider 2 inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, what is the binary addition for that? Is the output? Here is the input B. What is the output? Suppose we consider output or alphabet C as a output. So what is the output for that? 0 plus 0. What happened? Answer is 0. Okay. In 0 plus 1, what is the addition for this? 1. In 1 plus 0, what is the addition for that? 1. And 1 plus 1, what is the addition? What is the addition?
10.
10.
0.
0 and carry 1.
0 and with carry 1. Okay. The answer is 0 with carry. This is the sum. Right now? This is the sum S and with carry 1. Right? Here carry is 0. Here carry is 0. Here also carry is 0. Only in this case, both inputs are high or both inputs are 1, then only that case carry is 1. Okay, everyone got it? What is mean by adder, binary adder or arithmetic circuits? Next point, half adder. Okay, so what is mean by half adder? What is mean by half adder? Anyone familiar with half adder? What is mean by half adder? Half adder means similar with addition. Okay, here input, two inputs are there. Also two outputs means one is the sum and which is the input? X and Y, this is the input, and C and S, this is the output. Means two inputs and two outputs present in half adder. Okay, in full adder, three input is there. Okay, so 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is similar with binary addition or binary adder. Okay, so first you have to check in a half adder. Okay, in a half adder, what happened? From the verbal explanation of a half adder, we find that this circuit needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. Which is the two binary inputs? Which is the two binary inputs?
X and Y.
X and Y. Wait. Input is X and Y. Okay. What is the input for a half adder? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Here is the X and here is the Y. You can select any alphabet A to Z. Here you can consider A, B. Okay. Likewise, you can consider C, D. Up to Z, you can consider any alphabet for input as a input. Okay. So in that half adder, what happened? Your input, two binary input and two binary output present in half adder, and the input variable is designated the urgent and addend bits. Means what? Urgent and addend bit means what? One is a simply bit. Okay, means no complement was there. Okay, here is a X bar or here simply X. This is the addend and this is the urgent. Means this is the simply lateral. This is the lateral. Okay, and this is the complement of your laterals. Okay, and two outputs. Which is the two outputs? We assign symbol X and Y as an input and sum and carry as an output. Means S is sum and C means carry. Okay, and this is the truth table for half adder is listed in table 1. Which is the table 1? Below. This is the truth table for half adder. So in half adder, what happened? Addend and which word is remaining? These two words, urgent and addend. So this is the X, Y dash or X dash Y. You can say X, Y bar, X bar, Y. Okay. You can say both ways. X, X bar, Y, Y bar or X, X dash, Y, Y dash. Okay. So this is the half adder diagram. So these two input connected with OR gate. Okay. Means here is the C. What is the C condition? What is this C condition? Only AND gate is there. Means both inputs as a high. Then and then that case only output is high. मीन्स ज्यावेळेस तुमचं 1 1 आउट इनपुट असणार आहे त्याच वेळेस तुमचं कॅरी काय होणार आहे 1 होणार आहे. आणि इन सम कंडिशन सम केस व्हॉट हॅपन दोन्हीपैकी एक हाय असेल त्यावेळेस काय होतंय तुमचं सम ऑन होतंय किंवा हाय होतंय किंवा 1 होतंय. ओके, दिस इज द लॉजिक डायग्राम फॉर हाफ एडर कंडिशन. सो सिम्पली चेक हाफ एडर. You can move to simulator key. Okay, click on this simulator. So what happened? Design and implementation of various arithmetic circuit. Various arithmetic circuit means what, or which is the various arithmetic circuit? Tell me. Different types of arithmetic circuits.
Addition.
Disha, are you there? Next, Nikhil, Ritesh, which are the different arithmetic circuit? Adder, subtractor, multiplexer and divider. So first check full adder, half adder. Click here for simulator. Then click half adder. So what is the condition for half adder? What is the truth table for half adder? 0 0. If your both inputs as a low or 0, what is the output? Both sum and carry 0. If one input is 0, second input is 1, then carry 0, sum 1. Same third case with this second case, and last case, which is the last case? If your both inputs are high means 1, then that case only your output is high with sum 0. Okay, this is the your truth table logic. So check also practically. This is theoretical concept. Okay, this is totally theoretical concept. You can check practical also. So what is the change for your half adder diagram? 2 inputs, 2 outputs. 2 inputs means input A, input B, and 2 output means one is the carry and another is the sum. Okay, suppose you can select input is a 1 0. Here 1 means click on only off button. Okay, you can click on this button on off. Okay, so click here, then your output input is a 1, then 1 0. What is the output for 1 0 case? 1 0 case, what is the output?
0 1.
Carry 0 and sum 1. Okay, so simply you click on run button. Okay, here is a run button. Click on run button. Sum 1, right? And carry 0. Check here. Carry 0, sum 1. You can take another example, that is the 0 0. The clear first input 0 0. What is the output? Simply run this button. Sum 0, carry 0. You can check second condition 0 1. Okay, here is the 0, here is the 1. Simply run this 0 1 means carry 0, sum 1. Okay, you can check 1 0. What is the output for 1 0? 0 1 means carry 0, sum 1. Also you can check last case, that is 1 1. What is the carry and what is the sum?
Carry 1, sum 0.
Carry 1.
Run, then 1 1, then run. What is the output? Carry 1, sum 0. Simply here means you can clear your theoretical concept and cross check with your practical. Okay, this is a virtual lab practical. You can practice on that virtual lab. मागच्या प्रॅक्टिकल सगळ्यांनी केलेलं का रिव्हिजन ह्याची?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt regarding this virtual lab? How to operate?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Also, you can check full adder. In full adder, what happened? In full adder, what happened? In half adder, only 2 input, 2 output. But in full adder, what happened? 3 input and 1 output. Which is the 3 input? A, B, C. Okay. And 2 output means one is a carry and another one is the sum. This is totally theoretical concept, means your 0, 0, 0 input is 0, carry 0, sum 0. In any one condition means कोणताही एक इनपुट जर 1 असेल तर तुमचं काय येणार आहे? आउटपुट 1 येणार आहे. ओके, मीन्स सम 1 येणार आहे विथ कॅरी 0 येणार आहे. इथं प्रत्येक वेळेस सेकंड थर्ड यू कॅन चेक here C 1, then your output is 1 means sum 1 with carry 0. Here B is on means your output also sum is 1. Okay, here both B and C is 1. What is the addition concept? Suppose 1 plus 1, what happened in that case?
Sum 0 and carry 1.
So with carry 1. Okay, you can check next. Here again A is 1, remaining are 0. What happened in that case? Only one input is high. Then that case sum is 1, carry is 0. Here A and C is on. On means high. Okay, so A and C high means 1 plus 1. What happened? Sum is 0,
Sum 0,
with
carry 1.
1. Here same logic. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 with carry 1. But here 3 times 1 or all inputs are high. Then that case carry is 1, sum also 1. In half adder, what happened? If both inputs are high, then what happened? Suppose 1 plus 1, what happened? Here is a sum, here is a carry. Suppose half adder, 1 plus 1 sum is 0 with carry 1 in half adder. Okay, half adder. And in full adder, what happened? 1 plus 1 plus 1. What happened? Sum is 1. Also carry 1. This is the full adder. Okay. Only difference between difference in between half adder and full adder. Suppose both input high, then that case only sum is 0, carry with 1 in half adder, and in full adder, full input or all inputs are high, then sum is 1, also carry with 1. Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Theoretical concept. Okay, this is theoretical concept. You can check practical also. Okay, you can check practical. What happened in practical? Here is the 3 input A, B, C. Okay, suppose I will consider second input. Okay, what is the second input? Here is the second input 0, 0, 1. In that case, carry 0, sum 1. You can check practically also. 0, A0, B0, C1. What happened in that case? Carry 0 आला पाहिजे आणि sum 1 आली पाहिजे. Simply you can click on run button. Output display here. So, carry is, what is the answer? Carry
0.
and sum 1. You can check likewise all table. Okay, and tell me what is the answer. Consider this value and tell me what is the answer in practically. Everyone log in with your virtual lab.